Hi everyone, it's Gail and I am here with a bonus video, a little Etsy share, and the kit for, let's see, what would it be for? Must be for February, is available at Mixed Media Minnesota. Yay! So I'm so excited to show this to you, and I needed to do this video in a quick hurry because I want to use this. So we're going to just look through. It's gorgeous. It's Stamperia paper. Again, it's the Shabby Rose collection. So maybe we'll look at that first. I think that works well. So you can kind of see what all these other elements are going to go with. Yeah. What's happening? Okay, Shabby Rose. Let's pop this out of here and take a look at this paper. Sorry. Oh, that's loud. Should have taken that off prior. Oh well. Here we go. Shabby Rose, Stamperia. I love this paper pack. This is like one of my all-time favorites. So can you see both sides? Yeah, you kind of can if I get over here. So this is the back of the cover, but gorgeous and usable, and look at how beautiful. Then we've got the kind of splotchy. Oh, I think this is such gorgeous paper. And the text behind the flowers and stuff. Here's the ephemera page. And tags and journal cards. Look at this background. Oh, this is my favorite page. I just love that. Love that. So this is all splotchy with the text. And then the pink splotchies. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, this is one of my favorites too. I love that. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Shannon. Can't wait to dig in and play with this. Look at all these big old circles, fun tucks. And then look at this. I mean, it just, I don't know. It just gets better and better. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? This is one of my favorite collections from Stamperia. It really is. So that is the paper. All that rose yumminess. I love it. Okay, so let's look at the other pieces in this mixed media kit. Prima flowers that are a soft, dusty rose. This is Little Birdie brand, Shabby Chic Bouquet Elements. So it's little bird houses and cages and the Eiffel Tower. Lovely roses, lovely. So there's that. Then there's this one from Prima that is, there's some vellum sort of see-through, and then there's regular just cardstock, acetate shapes, and paper shapes. So beautiful roses and bits and pieces there. So wow. And then the Tim Holtz, this is roses layering stencil. Perfect for this. We've got a couple of doilies. We've got some lace. We've got cheesecloth, tulle, yarn, and ribbon. So, I mean, really, there's everything you need here. And then these three things, Stamperia Rosa Pastello. So rose pastel paint, acrylic paint. Then there's a little jar of Ranger texture paste. So it's like modeling paste. Then there is a liquid pearls, Ranger liquid pearls in, if I can see the color. I'm sorry, I'm not seeing the color on here, but It's gorgeous. It's kind of, oh, bisque. Hello. Right there on the front. Bisque. So there's those. So that is what comes in the kit this time. So Shannon said she only has 35, and they went up for sale a couple days ago. So I did check, and there's some there. So pop on over quick like a bunny if you want to get this kit. And then Shannon also sent, let me just slide this over this away. Hopefully that will sit there. Okay. Then the other thing that Shannon sent is a couple of items that are in the Mixed Media Minnesota shop. One being a digital. Oh, two digitals she sent. So these are snippet clusters. Yes, I love snippet clusters. So available in her shop. Let's just see what we have here. I never met a snippet cluster that I didn't love. Look at these, and they're tiny. You know, I've been trying to do tiny because funny enough, my Scrappy Saturday was about snippets, and these are just yummy. These are great. They're all fabric, and I love the size of them. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 snippets. Oh, I'm gonna have to go over and grab some. Other people's scraps are just so much more fun than your own, aren't they? It's just, oh, that's so fun. Thank you, Shannon. And then let's check out, let me zero in a little bit on these digitals. Okay, this one's Rose Digi. So of course goes perfect with the kit this time. Oh, this is so pretty, this background. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, so pretty. I love this. It's kind of a, oh, I don't know what you would call it, kind of a muted mint green. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Look at all the roses. This is a great one for printing on the back of your, of your pages. Oh, that's neat. Wow. Then big tags, big tags, and smaller tags, envelopes, some postcards. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is pretty. This one is called Rose. So let's put that back together. That's Rose. And then this one is called Pretty in Pink. So this is going to go perfectly as well. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's really cute. Oh my gosh, I love the little girls in this one. So adorable. There's 3 little girls and a bunny. I'm in. I'm hooked. Oh, so sweet. And a pink background. Perfect for the back of the page once again. There's those 3 little girls with a puppy. Lucky little girls. Oh, this is beautiful too. The pink behind. Oh, so cute. This has a little Eiffel Tower and a Paris. Those elements in the kit, the little ephemera elements would go perfect with these too. Oh my gosh, adorable. I love this kit. Oh, she's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Yes, so we've got postcards and tickets, journaling cards and pockets. Absolutely adorable. So this one, Pretty in Pink. Pretty in Pink and Rose are the digitals. Excuse me. Oh, I could feel that one coming. I'm so sorry. My heater comes on and I sneeze. It's just it's how life is in my house. Okay, so those are the digitals. These are the snippets. So available in the shop. Mixed Media Minnesota. Of course, she'll be in the description box below. Have to put her in the description box below. And then as well as the Etsy shops that I'm featuring, they'll also be the sales too, which I'll tell you about in a minute. Okay, this is Cara Brandon Creations, and let me get that in there. This is Cara Brandon Creations, and this kit is called Pretty Florals. Oh my gosh, good timing for this one. It would go perfectly also with that February mixed media kit. Look at the back there. Isn't that great? Oh, she's got all sorts of, so she's the fronts, and then let me show you the backs as well. Aren't those wonderful? Beautiful, beautiful Cara. Gosh, so pretty. Pretty Florals, this is called. Oh, that's pretty too. Gosh, they're so fun. And the ones from Mixed Media, the digitals, were on just plain copy paper. Cara has done hers on like a matte photo paper or something. That's why her colors are so much brighter. Look at that background. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful Cara. Cara Brandon Creations. Look at it. So pretty. So, and then tags. She's got these on white cardstock. I'm just making sure that's just one, but it's a good heavy cardstock. And the flowers, and then little tags. Envelope and journal cards. And banners and tickets and bingo cards. And then some little journal cards. So that is the Pretty Florals collection from Cara Brandon Creations. Okay, so those are the two things I had to share. So a rather quick one this time, other than we do have sales. Let's just double check those. Okay, so first one, Rustic Prairie Gems, my pal Frida. She is doing a 15% off sale February 14th through the 19th. No coupon needed. Once again, Mary Peterson, I think, still has some scrapbooking paper available that she's destashing. Junk Journal Ephemera, good through the end of January. A coupon code Gail Jan. I think she might have another one too here. Okay. A Jewel Design, Love Gail, 15% off. Homebook and Treasure, Gail 50% off in her shop. And Minxie Studio UK has 50% off her digital kits. Okay, I thought I had another one from Junk Journal Ephemera. Hang on one second. Nope. Okay. So I'll double check. I think I have it in my last video. But anyway, all the sale information will be in the description box below. So guys, go get your kit. Hurry up. hurry. Time is of the essence with all this yumminess. So yeah, excited to share it with you, excited to dig in myself. So have a grateful day, have an awesome Saturday and weekend, and we'll just see you in the next video. Bye everybody.